What if your wall could become a living piece of art, full of motion, depth, and emotion, crafted from simple wood? Imagine turning ordinary materials into a bold, modern masterpiece that transforms your entire space. Today on Hope Tube, we're diving into the world of dynamic abstract wall art, where creativity flows freely and every design tells a unique story. Dynamic abstract wall art is not just decoration. It is a visual experience that captures energy, movement, and emotion in a powerful way. Unlike traditional artwork that often follows structure and symmetry, abstract wall art embraces freedom. It allows shapes, lines, and textures to come together in unexpected ways, creating a sense of motion even though the piece itself is still. When working with wood, this concept becomes even more exciting. Wood carries its own natural beauty through grain patterns, textures, and tones. Each piece of wood is different, which means every artwork becomes truly one of a kind. When you combine this natural material with abstract design, you create something that feels alive, warm, and deeply expressive. The essence of dynamic abstract wall art lies in movement. This movement is not physical but visual. It is created through the arrangement of elements such as lines, curves, layers, and angles. For example, gently curved wooden strips can create a flowing effect similar to waves, while sharp geometric angles can introduce energy and intensity. The goal is to guide the viewer's eyes across the artwork, making them feel the motion within the design. Another important element is texture. Texture adds depth and dimension, transforming a flat surface into something visually rich and engaging. By combining smooth, polished surfaces with rough, natural edges, you create contrast that draws attention. Light interacts with these textures, creating shadows and highlights that change throughout the day, giving the artwork a dynamic quality. Color also plays a significant role. While natural wood tones are timeless and elegant, adding color can enhance the impact of the design. Some artists prefer subtle stains that highlight the wood grain, while others use bold colors to create striking contrasts. Black and white combinations, deep browns, or even vibrant tones can all be used to create different moods and styles. Creating dynamic abstract wall art does not require advanced tools or expensive materials. In fact, some of the most stunning pieces are made from simple scrap wood. This makes it an accessible art form for beginners as well as experienced woodworkers. The process often begins with cutting wood into various shapes and sizes. These pieces are then arranged on a flat surface to explore different compositions. Experimentation is key. There is no single correct way to create abstract art. Try placing pieces in different directions, layering them, or spacing them apart. Look at the arrangement from different angles and observe how it feels. Does it create a sense of flow? Does it feel balanced? These questions help guide the creative process. Layering is one of the most powerful techniques in dynamic abstract wall art. By placing pieces at different heights, you create a three-dimensional effect that adds depth. This layering allows shadows to form naturally, enhancing the sense of movement. Even small variations in height can make a big difference in the final look. Composition is also crucial. While abstract art encourages freedom, a well-balanced design ensures that the artwork feels complete. Avoid overcrowding one area while leaving another too empty. Instead, aim for a natural flow that connects all elements together. Dynamic abstract wall art is incredibly versatile and can suit many interior styles. In modern homes, geometric designs with clean lines create a sleek and sophisticated look. In rustic spaces, organic shapes and natural finishes blend beautifully with the environment. This flexibility makes abstract wall art a popular choice for many homeowners. Another advantage of this art form is personalization. Each piece can be customized to match a specific space or preference. Whether it is a large statement piece for a living room or a smaller design for a hallway, abstract wall art can be tailored to fit perfectly. This uniqueness is what makes handmade art so special. For those interested in turning this into a business, dynamic abstract wall art offers great potential. Handmade wall decor is in high demand, especially pieces that stand out and feel unique. Customers are often looking for art that reflects their personality and adds character to their homes. To successfully sell your artwork, presentation matters. High-quality photos that capture the texture, depth, and details of your piece can attract more attention. Good lighting is essential to highlight the natural beauty of the wood and the design. Pricing should reflect not only the cost of materials, but also the time, effort, and creativity involved. Even though the materials may be simple, the artistic value adds significant worth. Offering custom designs can also increase demand, as many customers appreciate personalized artwork. Marketing your work is another important step. Social media platforms provide a powerful way to showcase your creations. Sharing videos of your process, from cutting and arranging to finishing, can engage viewers and build interest. People love to see how handmade art is created. Consistency in your style can help build a recognizable brand. Whether you focus on flowing patterns, geometric designs, or textured compositions, having a unique style makes your work stand out. Over time, this can lead to a loyal audience and repeat customers. Dynamic abstract wall art is also a journey of creativity and growth. Each project teaches new skills and opens new possibilities. By experimenting with different techniques, materials, and designs, you can continuously improve and develop your own artistic voice. At HopeTube, we believe that creativity has no limits. Dynamic abstract wall art shows that even simple materials can be transformed into something extraordinary. It is not about perfection, but about expression. It is about taking an idea and bringing it to life in a way that feels authentic and meaningful. If you are just starting, don't be afraid to try new things. Begin with small projects, explore different designs, and enjoy the process. Over time, you will gain confidence and develop your own style. Remember, art is not just about what you create. It is about how it makes people feel. A well-crafted piece of abstract wall art can inspire, calm, and energize a space. It can turn an empty wall into a focal point that captures attention and sparks conversation. As you continue your creative journey, keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep creating. Let your imagination guide you and turn simple wood into powerful art. Thank you for watching HopeTube. If you enjoyed this video and found inspiration in dynamic abstract wall art, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HopeTube for more creative ideas, woodworking inspiration, and artistic designs. Start creating your own masterpiece today and transform your space with the power of abstract art.